Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Dalgairn Lodge, Bank Street, Cupar. If you are looking for a unique property, then this is the one for you. This is a stunning 2-bedroom detached character property, ample off-street parking with a large driveway, wraparound gardens, beautiful features throughout which I cannot wait to show you, while having all of your amenities right on your doorstep. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer and how unique it really is, and as always keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, Dalgairn Lodge. Isn't that just a picture postcard perfect cottage? Absolutely stunning, and a great plot as well. So this is all of your driveway that you can see here, so plenty of space with this property, and then you do have beyond that fence as well, but we will get to that as we go throughout. And then obviously you have the front of your garden that goes way back, and as I say, wrap around, and I'll show you the full extent as we go throughout. We've got a lovely sunny day as well to really showcase this property, but isn't this just beautiful for character? Love the brickwork. In terms of location, I do want to touch on that while we're out the front. So just straight up that road there, you can head out towards Kearney Fruit Farm, and you're about 13 miles to Dundee, so great for commuting. And when I say you have amenities on your doorstep, if you require the doctors or Adamson Hospital, you are just opposite, which is perfect. And then you're straight down there just to get to the town centre, the train station. You can see the church steeple just there as well. So you have all your amenities down that way, and then you can commute straight up that road onto Dundee and beyond. But look at this for a plot, plenty of space. If it was me as well, you could easily be building a garage out the front here if you would like to have a garage also. You've got potential with this property. So let's head inside and start the tour. But look at that for an entrance. Isn't this just beautiful? So you have a front garden area just here. So plenty of mature shrubs and plants throughout the garden space. You've got this area to the front just here, but isn't this such a lovely entrance from the colours here to this entrance? And I love the contrast between the timber and the brick. It's just a beautiful entrance. Before we head inside though, I'm just going to nip around here just to give you an idea of the plot that you're on. So along here, still your garden space. So you see that fence just there, that is where your property ends, but your garden wraps all the way around there, so you're getting plenty of space, as I say, mature shrubs and plants. And we're going to go to the back in just a second, but I'm going to take you inside the property firstly. So this is your entrance. We enter into your kitchen space, so contemporary kitchen. And straight away you will know that I love the exposed brick, the beam, and as I say, the features that go throughout this property are beautiful. So this is, as I say, your contemporary kitchen, so plenty of cabinet and worktop space. You've obviously got your integrated oven, hob, extractor, space for your white goods, but a very country feel kitchen, which is just lovely. And as I say, all the exposed brick as we go throughout, I just absolutely love. And then even from the door surrounds with the timber, it's just beautiful. And that does continue throughout the property. So we're going to start at this end of the hallway and work along. So we come into your shower room. Again, just look at that for the features. Beautiful, solid doors. Then we step into your shower room. So you can see you've got your heated towel rail, WC, wash, hand basin, vanity unit, and then a large enclosed shower. So you have your thermostatic shower with rainfall head. So again, a contemporary shower room. That's just perfect. Then stepping out, so don't forget 2 bedrooms. Heading into the first bedroom. So both really generous sized rooms as well. This currently has obviously singles in it, but you can just imagine easily get a double or even a king in this space. So generous sized rooms. And again, love the details with the beam, the exposed brick. That being a window sit is just perfect, especially as you have the outlook to the garden at the rear. So really peaceful for just sitting there. And then you do just have the combs there for storage. So first bedroom. Then we come along the hallway. You've got all your downlighters in the really high ceilings. Then we come into bedroom number 2. Again, love the aspect of having a window seat just there, but generous sized bedroom number 2. And again, I just love these doors. It's just beautiful features throughout. Then we head into your living room space. So straight away, again, you can see generous size. Many features I want to speak through in this room. So not only do you get the one window seat, but you get one there and one there. So lovely features, giving you the outlooks to the side and again to the rear. Gorgeous feature fireplace as well, with your mantle surround and slate. But look at this, just such a cozy living space. And then we can head out. So this is how we get to the back of the property. So we step out into your garden at the rear, and I'm going to talk through that. We're going to start to our left and go along. So coming along here. Again, all the exposed brick. And I love the accent with the grey. It really complements it. But we head along to the end. Now, to give you an idea, that does get you back around the side where we started at the front, so completely wrap around. But you have stairs up that takes you to that tiered section. You can just imagine it being an absolute sun trap. You have all these mature shrubs and plants, beautiful colour. We head along. So beautiful here. And then as we keep going along, so entrance out to the front of your property, so that gets you to your drive. But what's lovely is there's plenty of little nooks and crannies and little hiding places, but you have this path that takes you up and joins you back up at the tiered section over there. But this is part of your garden. And then we come into the next area. So again, you have a tiered area just here, so tiered up, and another area just there. But then this, you probably weren't expecting that you were getting all of this as well. So substantial plot, but plenty of outdoor space. As I say, you could be building a garage, you could knock this down and extend obviously right up the driveway if need be. You could be building a summer house here, but you've got in all of this. You've got your drying green, you've got your astroturf, you've got outdoor storage. It's just perfect garden and ample space for you and your family. And then I just want to pan around because I absolutely love the exterior of this property, just to show you. So quirky, absolutely love this one. So let's have a recap of Dalgairn Lodge. So that was a personal property tour for Dalgairn Lodge. Now you'll know why I was so excited to show you this one and all of its beautiful features. If you are looking for quirky, then you know this one is for you. 2 bedrooms, detached on a substantial plot. Stepping inside, you've got beautiful features throughout. The attention to detail is incredible, from those exposed beams, to the window seats, to those solid doors, your feature fireplace, that contemporary country style kitchen, your contemporary shower room, and then stepping outside you're getting this vast driveway, so ample off-street parking, potential to add that garage. You're getting these wraparound gardens, which is just a gardener's paradise, space as well to add a summer house. So you're getting a beautiful property while having everything on your doorstep. As you'll remember from the beginning, we're opposite the Adamson Hospital and the doctors, but you can just take a short walk down into the town centre where you've got butchers, bakers, shops, dentists, so everything on your doorstep. But if you want to commute, you've got the Cupar train station that will connect you with Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond, or you can just head out the back road just there and that'll get you to Dundee in about 13 miles, taking you past Kearney Fruit Farm, or in the opposite direction you can head along to St Andrews, the home of golf. So you're getting a beautiful property, everything that it has to offer while being in a central location. So if you'd like to get further details and you don't want to miss out on this one, then message me directly, click the link, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV.